Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world. This is the 20th day of September 2023. And it is very important, very, very imperative that I bring this short message to the Biafrans. You see, from 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. is a curfew in the entire Biafra territory. And from 12 o'clock, every Biafran citizen, every Biafra market, every Biafra businesses will be opened. But you see, Secretariat, Nigeria government secretariat in Biafra land, from the local government to the state to the federal, must be shut down. It is not from 6 to 12. No, you must be shut down completely. And from tomorrow, be the 22nd, the 21st of September, we are going to be sending investigators to go through all the secretariat in Biafra land. Anyone that's open, they will receive message from the Biafra people. Thank you.
A federal high court sitting in Abuja has fixed July the 20th for ruling on the application filed by the council to pro-Biafra agitator Mr. Nnamdi Kanu, asking the court to compel the Department of State Services to allow him access to a medical doctor of his choice. The hearing of the suit filed by Mr. Kanu, lawyer to the detained leader of the proscribed indigenous people of Biafra, Mr. Mike Ozekome, informs the court that the ipods leader requires urgent ear surgery. Mr. Mike Ozekome explained that the DSS has repeatedly refused to grant Mr. Kanu access to his personal doctor and has also refused to release his medical records. But counsel to the DSS argued that Mr. Kanu was being given proper feeding and medical attention while in DSS custody.
At that meeting, I told the Director of Legal Services, after we had brainstormed for more than 1 hour as to how and why such a short surgery will be done. And the meeting was actually instigated by my letter to the DSS that Nnamdi Kanu should be allowed to have this is ear surgery based on your own medical report. The SSS itself, their doctors, their in-house doctor, checked his ear in November 2022 and found that it was having some blockage, and that there was a need to operate on this ear before he gets deaf. I therefore wrote to the SSS to let us meet, and they approved our meeting. And we met with the Director of Legal Services of SSS, the 2 in-house medical doctors, a male and female, were there, and some other top officials of SSS were there.
Yeah, this is motherland water. This is motherland water.